Now we'll move to the advanced boats. All we're going to do here is a quick overview. This video is not intended to cover advanced boats. There's a lot of data on advanced boats available off our website. The Master Workshop document there has lots and lots of testing and lots of in-depth explanations of how things work. In the advanced boat, same solar panel. Every advanced boat I have seen for the last 3 years are using this panel. It's the only panel that anyone is using in the competition. We allow the advanced students to use an upgrade motor if they wish. This is a motor from Full Harbour, almost universally in use at this level. This is a $150 motor, so the students need to be quite careful in handling them. We also allow the advanced division to use electronics units. They control the panel power and maximise the power transfer from the solar panel to the motor. That one's a commercial unit, comes already assembled. Scorpio Technology have a kit version. Adds to the educational experience. You can assemble the kit, if you know what you're doing, in less than 20 minutes. There is a problem, comes up with the advanced boats. Because these motors have a lot more torque available, because they're far more efficient, they're converting more of the panel power to actual propulsive force. You can't use a simple coupling as we used in the junior section. It just twists up into a pretzel. So people are tending to use a gear reduction, which gives you a solid drive. You could also elect to use some sort of a direct drive with a solid coupling if you wish. That gear reduction is available off the shelf from R&I Instrument and Gear Company, but there are lots of others that have come from model aircraft and people have adapted those. The use of a gear reduction and the high efficiency motor allows you to go to a much wider range of propellers, and purely just by the use of the better motor, gear reduction and the better propeller, we have seen thrust levels of 2.5 times what you get out of the basic junior version. So you can have a boat that's really well performing. In fact, we have seen advanced boats running the 10-metre pool in 3.5 seconds, which is really quick. If you want more data on the advanced boats, you've got to go to the Master Workshop document, because we're going to concentrate here on only the junior boats.